All right, everybody. Yeah, I'm way down here. It's hard to see me. All right. I decided to buy a dash cam for Priscilla with a front and a rear camera for my own protection. You know, safety kind of thing. I didn't want to be coming up to a stoplight or a stop sign, and not that this is going to prevent that, but I'm hoping it's going to make me more aware of my surroundings. So I went on Amazon, found one that I liked, ordered it, and it just came in today, and here it is. Now I decided to make this an unboxing because there wasn't a real good unboxing video on this particular brand or name. It's a ZOMFOM, right? Motorcycle dash cam. And I'm not particularly impressed with the way Amazon packed it, because they didn't pack it. They just put the sticker right on here. And that's it. They didn't put it in a box. And look, this thing just slides off, you know. And so anyway, it's got a little bump on the corner. So we're going to see if there's any issues with it. But it's got front and rear max up to 2K. I'm reading along here. Resolution waterproof, IP65, front and rear 150 wide angle, degree. Again, it's waterproof. Remote control, waterproof. Even has a GPS track map. So it had all the bells and whistles I was looking for, and here's also a lot of things it has G sensor, GPS, altitude, f1.8, air pressure. I guess that's not tire pressure, that's air pressure in the atmosphere, you know, barometric pressure. It's 1080p, 60 FPS, frames per second. The monitor itself is a 3-inch, I guess it's measured diagonal, IPS. It's got a Wi-Fi, it's got Sony cameras, it's got video, it's got a wired controller, front and rear camera, and you could put up to a 256 gig memory card in there. And look at this thing. I mean, it just hardly, it would have been nice if it was in a box. And I'm hoping that this was not a return. See, that's what I always look for, and I guess I don't think I'm alone in that regard. I'm hoping that it wasn't a return. And so far, I can't tell. All right. So here, I'm just going to lay the pieces out because I don't know the description what they are just yet. Of course, the obvious things are camera lens. I don't know. See, I'm looking to see if this was a returned item. So far, I'm not sure. Here's the main module itself, or you know, the monitor, and that's 3 inches. It's a lot smaller than it looked like on Amazon. Okay, and it looks like a magnet back there. I also don't know where I'm going to put it. I have some ideas, and I'll share that with you here in a little while. Okay, so camera. You know, with unboxing videos, a lot of times it's like, you know, it's not about what's in it, you know, but I like to get to things quickly, and that's what I'm trying to do. All right. So, here's the manual, motorcycle dash cam. This is the MD30 by ZOMFOM. MD30. And it's supposed to do a bunch of different things. Well, one of the things I was concerned about is the mounting hardware, because that's, of course, vital. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to make an unboxing, because I looked online, you know, on YouTube, and nobody had a real good video on, you know, what the mounting hardware looks like. This is the GPS. Sorry it's taking me so long. I'm trying to... Alright, here's the GPS. You put it on with the sticker. It's got a little film on it. and it's got a its own little plug-in that I would imagine is going to go into one of these, right? But we're not there yet. So okay, GPS. Now I heard there's several wires, obviously, and so we have several wires. We have a black, we have a red, and we have a yellow. And just right off the cuff, I thought, and I think the yellow, of course I haven't even looked at the manual yet because I'm an unboxing. Okay, well it even says, okay, so yellow, battery B plus. Oh, the red is your accessory. Okay, I was just about to say that the yellow was your accessory, but according to this, the red is your accessory. So what I'm going to try to do wiring on my accessory is, a lot of guys on YouTube were talking about your license plate light, your tail light, or your license plate light, one or the other. And there's a good hot that runs down, well, I should say there's a good switched hot, because that's what you want. That's what this is going to be basically, is your accessory. So it's when your ignition is on, that's when it's hot. When your ignition is off, it's not hot. So you want to pay strict attention to that. All right, so moving right along. There's a lot of moving little parts to this, and I'm trying to get everything out in the open for you, because that's what I'm all about trying to do. And I won't make this too long, or I'll try not to make it too long, but I want to see the mounts. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. And you can't just run through this. This looks like it's a mount for the camera. Yeah, that's what I'm going to say. It's a camera mount. And it gives you the two options, the sticky tape, and you could also put screws in there, down here. I'm hoping you all could see that real good. I have all my lights on, but I'm hoping you can all see this real good. Tell you what, hold on one sec. Let me add some more light. I'll be right back. Okay, Harbor Freight to the rescue. These things are, I don't know, they're dirt cheap, and they provide a lot of lights, but so we'll see if that helps out the issue. Let me push it down a little bit more. Okay. Yeah, I was very interested in the mount, particularly the main mount, and I still don't see it. It must be in here. Gives you a lot of zip ties. Yeah, okay, big deal, right? Yeah, that's good, that's important, zip ties. I got a bunch of zip ties. I ordered cables. Now I heard one of the things about these cables is they can be short, so be aware of that. It gives you some more little sticky. Looks like the same size. Yeah, it looks like the same type for the camera. So they give you some additional stickies for the camera bracket. And I don't know where I'm going to put mine yet. See, this is going to be a to-do. This is going to be quite the installation. And I don't know where I want to put this just yet. I mean, I know where I want to put it, but I don't know if it's going to work out. And this is supposed to be waterproof. And there's also, yeah, this is where you put your memory stick, and there's a little flap here that you open somehow. Yeah, if I can see it. Okay. Oh, getting there. Hold on. It's not easy to open. Oh, good grief. There it is. All right. There's where you put your memory stick. Right in there. This is nice. Oh, and it's the smaller one too. See, I thought it would. Again, I wasn't sure. So it's the smaller. What's that? The micro SD. Yeah, you put the micro SD in there. All right. So, like I said, this is not something that you can do quickly. I mean, there's a whole lot of things going on here. You have this, which is, I guess it's a remote control. And it looks like this is maybe, they give you some Velcro to put this on. I don't know if I like that too much. So, yeah, looks like camera with a lock, and there's a, so I have to read up on this actually. So I just wanted to do a basic unboxing, right? There's a lot to this thing. There's a lot going on with this thing. Okay. But I wanted to share this with you because I couldn't find on YouTube any good information about it. About this motorcycle dash cam MD30, the user manual. And there's a lot to it. And I'm hoping I can I can make it work on the spot where I want to put it. And I'll share that with you when I get there. But this is just about opening up and seeing what's in here. And these cameras, I heard, are really good. I mean, these are Sony IMX335 sensors. These are supposed to be really good cameras. And you know, I bought this because I decided to, you know, I'm a defensive rider. You know, you got to have your head's got to be on a swivel, right, when you're out there riding. But even that's not good enough. And like I said, it may or may not prevent any, hopefully, you know, knock on wood, any accidents. But if it gives me an edge to where I can, you know, when I'm at a light or coming up to a stop sign and I can see somebody barreling behind me, you know, maybe it'll give me that edge to where I can have a couple more seconds to react, kind of thing. So that's what I'm, you know, just a peace of mind. That's what I'm trying to say. This is going to give me just a peace of mind. It's just another little tool in the toolbox, kind of thing. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. I know there's a lot that I covered, and it was just a little unboxing, but I mean, look at this. There's a whole lot going on, you know. There's a lot of wiring. There's, you know, you got two cameras. You got the monitor with a whole bunch of wiring coming out. You got a GPS. You got a remote. And this is just for a motorcycle. You know, this is not for a car. This is for a motorcycle. So let me know if you have questions. And yes, I will be doing a video. It might be a multiple parter when I put her on Priscilla. So I'm looking forward to it in a way, but in a way I'm not looking forward to it. So with that being said, as usual, there's more to come. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.